We're going to cover verifying a Magento 2 instance with Google Search Console using the domain prefix method. So with Google Search Console, there's two ways to verify a site. You can do it on a domain level where you add a TXT record to the domain DNS, and that allows you to verify all your properties, subdomains, whatever it may be, with that domain method. Now you also can verify properties on a URL level. And typically what SEOs recommend is to verify a property at the domain level and then go to each URL and subdomain and verify them with the URL prefix method. So today we're going to go over how to connect Google Search Console using the URL prefix method. This would also be applicable if we're working with a new client who has not set up Google Search Console before. These would be the steps that you would take to set up a new account for the first time. So using our demo theme, we're going to verify this URL with Search Console. So I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to take this, go over to Search Console, put it into URL, paste this in here. And as we can see, HTTPS without the www, and we're going to continue. Now, this is going to provide us with a couple methods of verifying that we have ownership of the site. For today's demonstration, we're going to use the HTML tag method. So we're going to add this meta tag to the meta information section of our website. So what that will require us to do is log into our Magento admin. And we're going to start with the main dashboard where you would typically start once you log into Magento. We're going to go to Content, Design Configuration. We're going to go to Edit, Top Store Level. And we want the HTML head section. And this allows us to control a couple things, but one of them is it allows us to insert tracking scripts, extra meta information. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add in this Google site meta verification code. So as it stands right now, if we go to the home page and we view the page source, there is no meta name equals Google. So we can do a search for name equals G. Oh, it's not there. Okay. We're going to paste this in. We're going to save the configuration. We're going to flush the cache. Navigate our way over to that. Once the message pops up, which it has, take us over to cache management. We're going to flush the cache, and this should now update the HTML head section of our demo website to include that Google site verification tag. So once the cache clears, just give it a couple seconds here to catch up. We should now be able to go to the home page, refresh, right click, view our page source. Let's do a search for that. Here it is right here, our Google site verification. So we should be able to go back to here and hit verify. Let's just do that quick. It reads the website and gives us the notification that ownership has been verified. From there, we can go to the property. And from here is where you'd administer most of the things that you do within Google Search Console. You might want to connect a sitemap. You might want to go to the coverage report and see what's being indexed. This is a freshly set up Google Search Console account. They typically ask to give 30 days of time to accrue data to give you true insight into your reports. So for now, we have it set up and connected. Everything's worked properly. That is the steps of connecting a Google Search Console profile to a Magento 2 instance. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for listening and